Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this shaped face mask. It's pretty straightforward, it's my first time making one too. So I got this template from Joann's and I've included a link to it. I'm just going to cut out the template. You're going to fold your fabric in half. It's advised to use 100% cotton and cut out 4 pieces. As a makeshift filter, I'm putting this felt fabric in between the layers. You can also just use another layer of fabric as well. And that's just going to go in between. So you're going to lay the felt on top of the cut out pieces of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing each other. And then you're just going to stitch that on just around the curved edge. And just to make that area flatter, you're just going to sew the felt down as well. Just a little tiny seam. We're going to repeat that with the other 2 pieces of fabric and the felt as well. For the straps, I'm just using this headband elastic that I have at home. You can use any elastic, and I've measured mine 10 inches. And I'll show you how I'm going to pin it. So when you pin it onto the mask, just angle it as you're going to sew around the whole edges of the mask. You don't want it to get stitched in the wrong place. So that's why I've just angled it slightly. So pin the 2 pieces all the way around with the outside of the fabric facing the outside of the fabric of the other part of the mask. Just pin it around and sew around the edges, and just leave a small opening at the bottom so you can turn it inside out. If I turn it inside out, I'm just trimming it to make it neat, and then I'm cutting off the corners of the edges as well, just to make it lay flatter when I turn it the right way around. Once you've turned it the right way around, you're just going to fold over the open edge there and press that flat. So iron it to make it really flat and smooth. And once it's flat like that, you're going to go all the way around and just put a final stitch. And that's it, pretty straightforward. You can also stitch this by hand if you don't have a sewing machine, but it's a pretty good mask. I can breathe through it, which is really important. So when you're going to try a filter in here, just make sure it's washable, obviously, and also hold it over your nose before you stitch it, just to make sure it's not too thick and you can breathe through it. Yeah, I hope this is really helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.